Yeah, good day. My name is Mataya Manuel, popularly known as Teeblaq Tech and Discovery, and I'm dropping this video today just to teach you how to use a picture password on your computer, your laptop, or your desktop. And before you can do that, you have to have an operating system from Windows 8 above, that is Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, or other likes of it. So before now let's get started. Sorry. To do that, you have to click on your Windows, type settings. So once you type that, you can see the window that comes up. So after that, then you can click on account. Once you click on account, come down and select sign in options. And once you click on that, it takes you to where you are eligible to create your picture password. Firstly, here you can see your normal password, as alphanumeric. Then over here you can see the one of pin. Create a pin. Then this is where we have business with the picture password. So now you can see sign into Windows using a favorite password. Why is showing change and remove here is because I've initially created a picture password, or I can click on remove. So once you click on it, I click on remove, you can see this default thing for it to show. So you click on add. Once you click on add, it asks you to input your password to your administrative user on your computer. So I will input my password now. And once I input my password, I click on OK, and it has successfully logged me into the window on where I can change my password or use the picture as a password. So you can see here, this is the picture that was managed. So I click on choose new picture. I'll be using this same picture, but just for it to be explanatory enough, let me select it again. So you can select any picture you want, any picture. Then you click on select and you click on open. Once you select it, you can also move it up and down, section the picture the way you like it. So you can see it here. This is my picture. So let me make mine like this. And once I've made mine like this, you can see, you come here and you click on choose this picture. Or use this picture, sorry, not choose this picture, use this picture. Once you click on it, you can see set up the gesture. So this is the window that allows you to set your password to a picture. So you can see stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. All you just need to do is select any area on the picture here where you would like to use as your password. So I would select this part as the first one. You can see now it has changed to page 2. So I can now come here and select this one or this area. You can see now it changes to page 3. So let me just pick this area as the third one. So now it's asking me to confirm what I've done in the first area. So now let me reconfirm it. I click on this place at first. Don't forget, you have to click on it according to the way you set the password. Then you click on this place and I click on the third one. Now you can see congratulations, you have successfully created your picture password. So use it the next time you sign in. And now we have successfully created a picture password. And the next thing for you to do is for you to click on finish. So we are done. Let's try, or let's see what we've done. So you can close this window. Once you close it, let me lock my computer. I will just press Ctrl Alt L as delete. Then it takes me to this window and I click on it. So you can see it has successfully logged me in into my user account laptop. So thank you for watching this video, and to get more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below this video and like the video. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye bye.